Andrews University, Wentworth Institute of Technology, Temple University, Washington State University, Rice University, University of Cincinnati, Princeton University, University of California, Berkeley, School of the Art Institute of Chicago, Taliesin, Harvard University, Pratt Institute, Clemson University, Washington University in St. Louis, University of Michigan, Yale University, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Cornell University, Virginia Polytechnic Institute and State University, California College of the Arts, University of Texas at Austin, Southern California Institute of Architecture, Columbia University, University of Pennsylvania, Ohio State University.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.